Hi there guys, welcome back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that last video that I put up, which was the van tour. Seems to have done quite well, so if you guys are interested in having your van toured, let me know, drop me an email or anything. All the links are down in the description to get hold of me. But that's that bit done. I've tried to film this video the last few days while I've been doing stuff, and it just hasn't turned out well. I've either been rained on or it's been awful. So I'll put the footage in that I've got as I do it. But up there you can just about see that the surround for the sub is now looking a lot better. That's now made out of, I think it's chipboard instead of the half-assed pallet wood that was there. So I'll put whatever footage I've got in here. But underneath this is an actual sub box that I've cut down. There you go, you can start to see it. So it should be quite easy to do. Just cut the same size out. Cut the hole out a little bit better because this size is gash. And yeah, put it in. And that is basically what it looks like. Oops, sorry. Sort of that-ish, I think. So I need to cut that out of this. I mean, that is a big old bit of wood. Basically draw around it, cut it without this horrible bit. Done. Well, back in the van, and let's see how well this fits. I do need to cut the top off a bit. Well, I've cut a new one out and I've cut the hole and it fits lovely. Lovely jubbly. Use a dinner plate because that's the roundest, biggest thing I can find. Well, there we go. That is now all mounted. Just need to get like a decal or a sticker to make that look like pallet wood. And then the next thing I did was pallet wood the doors. Now the footage for that should be kind of okay, but I had to stop because of rain and putting the gazebo up. Set the gazebo up, the sun comes out. Awesome. So I'll try and put bits of footage in as and when. Never mind, it's been on and off raining all morning, so never mind. Managed to get one in, all screwed in. So let's work our way up. Need to remember to cut a hole for the speaker, but I can deal with that at a later date. Also thinking about the door handle. Yeah, this should turn out all right. So done a little bit of like a notch to get around the door hinge. That's fine. Ah, and also same for here. I've only just put a screw in for time being, but I can't actually open the door because it's catching on the wood. So what I'll do is when I'll sand it, I'll just sand all this lot off so the door handle can Yeah, I'm kind of happy with this is going. Once I get up past here, I think this bit's going to be the easy bit. Famous last words. Well, this is many hours later, and also chucking it down, and I'm getting dripped on, and I haven't filmed a lot, I am sorry, but oh, I have got the bit for that. There we go, all done. There's a few little bits up the top there and just there that I could do with redoing, but I am so pleased with that. I haven't done that door yet, but that's how it looks when it's closed. A few little bits like there that you can see out, but plenty of gap between that and the table. And I even have my speaker hole ready to be cut out. and obviously going to need to sand it all, but the way the weather is, I ain't getting to that anytime soon. See you tomorrow. But as you've seen, the driver's side door is done. There's little bits like this. I need to obviously sand the whole thing, but I can't actually open the door handle because this bit of wood's in the way, so I need to cut this back even more to deal with that. And this door just turned out horrendous. Missing the top bit, which I went and got some more pallet wood for. This bit doesn't fit at all. This bit's also just way too thick, so I need to redo this one. And yeah, then sand the whole thing. I am very pleased with the way that I managed to get the grommets to go through. This one I had to hack at. And it's got a notch there, which I'm not too impressed about. I can deal with that. That side came out a lot better. That came out lovely. And managed to cut the holes for the speakers. But today I've got a little helper. And we're going to finish doing all of this. I mean, if I take this off, you can kind of see how much I'm missing. It's probably about 2 pallets worth, maybe a bit more. And then what I do need to do, because on both sides, because of the way that the door closes, on the side there with the rubbers, I can't go any further across because, as you can see, it's pinching some of the rubbers, so I need to sand that off when I sand the wood. And because of that, you can see quite well there, it's only just overlapping on the actual metal to screw into. So it's screwed on one end, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of batten in here so that I've got something to screw into, because this is not, well, we went to football earlier, and I think it's this piece, there you go, come out, and it just, yeah. So if I can put some battening in behind, I can get something screwed onto it, and then I can screw all this in nicely and it will not move. So that is our plan, and yeah, hopefully we can get this finished, and then tomorrow sand it all, make it look like the rest of it, which looks lovely, and then that'll be done. So we're gonna get on with that, and you're gonna watch. Well, me and my little helper haven't done a lot because she decided to go down the field instead, but managed to finish off this last little bit. I haven't put the batten in behind any of this yet because I haven't, so I need to get that batten in behind, and obviously I need to sand it, but I've clearanced all the edges, and when I go to sand it I will smooth all this lot out and get all the battening done so this doesn't happen. And I'll let you show, I've made this bit up here, so I need to cut this bottom piece off, because then I'm going to put another piece across the bottom, and I've got like a fascia. I do need to sort out, because there's some like weird gaps up here, and I need to get this put on properly as well. There we go. Sand it so it's a little bit more flush all the way across the top, and yeah, it should be done then. You just drop that. Oh, I did. So I haven't really done too much. Thank you, camera girl. So this is probably going to be it for the end of the video, because I have absolutely no idea what I've actually filmed my last few days. I have just kind of be doing bits and sort of half filming it here and there. So probably just going to leave it there for now. Pick this back up in the next couple of days when I have a few more ideas that I want to get done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that last video of that van tour. I think, like I probably said earlier in the video, there's a workshop. A guy does custom fabrication and what have you, and I'm going to go over and see there. He's got like a bagged Beetle and split screens everywhere. That should be a fun video. And a few other guys that I've already been talking to, I'm going to go and tour their vans as well. But we're going to get ourselves gone. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Thank you for all the support. Until the next time, if you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy.